Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made this cute and girly summer themed intro using CapCut and Canva on my iPhone. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up Canva, and in the search bar, you're going to search YouTube intro. Then you're going to see this white rectangle pop up. You're going to click on it and you're going to click where it says color, and you can choose any color of your choice. If you would like the same pink that I'm using in the video, you can type in this hex code that's on the screen and it'll give you the exact same color. Then from there, you are going to click download and you're going to download it as a PNG and you're going to save it to your camera roll. Then from there, you're going to open up CapCut and you're going to click on new project, click on photos, and you're going to add that photo that we just made in Canva. And then you're going to click on it and you're going to drag it out to about 5 seconds long. Then from there, you are going to click on add overlay, click on overlay, and then you are going to click on the photo that you want to add to the right side, and you're going to make it bigger or adjust it the way you need it to look. And then you're going to scroll until you find the option that says mask, and then you're going to click where it says horizontal, and you're going to turn the yellow line so that it's vertical, and then you're going to see the white circle with the arrows in it, and you are going to move that to the left, and it should give you this kind of faded look. And this is how it should look. You're going to move the yellow line more to the right, and you're going to move the white circle more to the left, and it should give you this look. Then from here, you can adjust it till you get it the way you would like it to look. Once you get it the way that you would like it to look, you are going to extend the image until it fits the whole screen. And then from here, you're going to click at the top where it says export, and you're going to save it to your camera roll. Then from there, you're going to click new project again. You're going to add that video that we just made into the new project, and you're going to add your video effects. So you're going to click on where it says effects, you're going to click on video effects, and you're going to click on the search bar and you're going to search summer bubbles. And this one is pro, it's the second one here. You can use other effects, there is free bubble versions as well. Then from here, you're going to search constellation, and this is a free effect, and you're going to click on it and we're going to add it to the project and extend it just like this. Then from here, we're going to go to dafont.com, and you can search this in Google or Safari or whatever you would like to use. And it's going to give you a website where you can search custom fonts. So at the search bar, I am searching Winter Prime, and I'm clicking on it and clicking download again. Then you're going to see the blue arrow at the bottom, and then you're going to click on it, click on downloads, click on Winter Prime. It's going to bring you to your files, and you're going to hold down on it and you're going to click uncompress, and then you're going to go back into CapCut. You're going to click on add font, click on fonts, and then you're going to click where it says my fonts. You're going to click the plus add button, click on my fonts. It's going to bring you to your files. You're going to search Winter Prime, and you are going to have this custom font in CapCut. You can skip this whole thing and use a font strictly in CapCut, but this is if you want the exact same font that I used. So from here, you're just going to type in your channel name, and I'm typing in her channel name here. And I'm just going to center it, and I'm going to extend it out just like this. Then I'm going to click on the font and click style, and I'm going to click stroke, and I'm going to click on this pink here, and I'm just going to higher the width until I get it the way I'd like it to look. Then from here, I'm going to click on where it says stickers, and I'm just going to find this butterfly font. Mine popped up, but you can also search butterflies, and this is where I'm going to put it for now. We're going to move things around, but this is how it looks so far. Then from here, I'm going to add an animation on the text. So I'm just going to click on the text, click on add animation, and I'm going to click on the animation snow fluttering, and I'm going to put it to about 1.2 seconds. This is a pro animation, but there are other free animations you can use if you want to use the free version. And this is how it should look so far. And I'm just going to adjust things so that I get it the way I would like it to look. And then I'm going to click on the butterfly. I'm going to click add animation. I'm going to click fade in, and I'm just going to leave it like that so that it fades in when the text is finished, just like this. Then from here, we're going to exit out of CapCut, and we are going to go into our eraser app or website. I'm going into Photoroom, but I always have an eraser website linked in the description below. From here, you're just going to click on the image that you would like to pop up, and I'm erasing the background, clicking on transparent, and I'm going to add a shadow. So I'm just going to click shadow, click on custom, and then click Move 2D, and I just want to put it directly behind her like I'm doing here. And then I'm going to save it to my camera roll, and I'm going to go back into CapCut and I'm going to add it. So I'm going to click Add Overlay, and I'm going to click on the photo that we erased the background of, and I'm going to make it bigger and put it to the left more. And you're going to notice it's behind the text. So how to fix that, you're going to scroll until you find the option that says layers, and you're going to hold down and move it between the butterfly and the text, and it should have it go over the text just like this. Then from here, I'm going to add an animation on it. So I'm going to click Add Animation, and I'm going to click the animation slide up and put it to about 1 second. And this is how it should look. And now I'm just going to do some final adjustments, like sliding everything so it's to the end. And this is how it should look so far. Then from here, I'm going to click Save to Device, and I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to click on New Project, and I'm going to add that video that we just created. And this is going to be the final project that we're going to go back to it later to add the other clips. Then from here, what you want to do is you want to go on your Instagram and you want to screen record your photos. If you don't have a lot of photos in your Instagram, you can skip this step. So now what you're going to do is you're going to find the project that we did before that had the kind of faded photo, and you are going to scroll until you find the option that says replace, and you're going to add the video of you screen recording through your Instagram. If you do not have a video of you screen recording your Instagram, you can always add another photo or video here in replace of it. So what we're doing is we just wanted to tilt it, we're going to replace it, and it should give you this faded effect, and you're going to save it to your device. You can do the exact same thing as the steps before if you deleted the previous project. Then from here, you're going to click on New Project, and you're going to add that clip that we just made into the new project. And now we're going to click on video effects, and we're going to add more video effects. So we're going to type Summer Bubbles 1, and this time you're going to click on the first one. It should be a free one. You're going to click on the adjust button and move the filter all the way down to 0. And you can move the intensity down to 0, and you can slow down the speed. This is a free effect as of right now, so anyone can use it. And you're just going to extend it out. You're going to click video effects again, and we're going to search constellation again. And this again is a free effect, so you should be able to use it. And you're going to drag it all the way out. Then from here, you can go into your eraser app or website again. I'm using Photoroom again, and I'm just going to erase another photo that I want to be on this slide. So I'm erasing the photo. We're going to do the exact same steps as before. You're going to erase the background, and you're going to add a shadow to it, just like we did before. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back to CapCut, and you're going to click Add Overlay, and you're going to add the photo that we just erased the background of, and you're going to put it where I have it on the screen. It's a little bit over the screen recording, but not fully, just like that. And we're going to click Add Animation, and you're going to do the animation slide up, and we're going to put the animation to about 1 second, and this is how it should look. Then from there, you're going to go to where it says text template, and in the search bar, you're going to search message, and a bunch of different text template messages will pop up, and we're going to click on the first one. There are plenty of different options that pop up. This one is Pro, but you can choose a different one if you don't have Pro. Then from here, where it says you have 3 messages, we are going to delete that, and you're going to type connect with me, and you're going to type your usernames. In this case, there's only one username, but if you have multiple, you can type multiple. But I'm just going to type out her username, and then for the emojis, I'm just going to search bubbles and put a bubble emoji, and then I'm also going to put this heart emoji, this little pink heart emoji as well. You can put whatever emojis you want, or you could put no emojis, completely up to you. You're just going to extend that so it fits all the way, and you're going to make it smaller so it's in the upper left-hand corner. Then from here, we're going to go back into Canva, and you're going to get out of the old project, and you are going to go to the search bar. You're going to click on templates, and you're going to search Instagram post square, and this should pop up. And from here, what we're going to do is under elements, you're going to search Polaroid, and under frames, you're going to click on the first one that's there, and you're going to make it bigger and center it. Then from here, you're going to click camera roll, and you're going to add whatever image that you would like to go in it. You can double tap on the Polaroid to adjust it if you would like. Then you're going to zoom out and duplicate it so that there is two, and you're going to replace the second image to something different. Once you have the photos you would like it to look, you are going to save them as PNGs, and if you have Canva Pro, you can save it as a transparent background and the background would automatically be erased. If not, erase it in your eraser app or website. From here, we're going to go back into CapCut, and you are going to click on the first Polaroid that we made, and you are going to make it smaller, and you're going to put it to around where I have it on the screen. And you're going to do the same thing, click on Add Overlay, and you're going to add the second photo. And you're going to adjust them till you get them the way that you would like them to look, and you're going to extend them all the way out like I'm doing here. Then from here, we are going to click on add text, and you are going to type whatever you like. Here I'm typing out her name, her first on the first Polaroid, and her last name on the second Polaroid. You can type follow me, you can type like, comment, subscribe, you can type whatever you would like. But for here, I'm just typing in her name, and I'm using the same font from before, the Winter Prime font. And I'm going to add the same exact thing like I mentioned to the second one, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do that. Then from here, we're going to go into your search engine. Again, I'm using Safari, and I'm gonna search pink PNG pen. And a bunch of different options are going to pop up. There's different types. You can do any color you would like as well, but I'm going to click on this one right here, and you are going to hold down on it and click Save to Photos. And if you need to erase the background, we're going to use Photoroom or your eraser app again, and you're going to erase the background. For this, you don't have to add a shadow if you don't want to, and I'm not going to add a shadow, so we're just going to go right back into CapCut, and we're going to add that pen. And you're going to put it right over the corner, just like I'm showing you here. Then from here, what we're going to do is you're going to go back to stickers, and you're going to find this little emoji face here, and you're going to click on this pink heart that pops up. And I'm just going to zoom it out, and I'm going to put it right at the top right hand corner like I'm showing you here. And then I'm just going to shrink the timing so that it comes in after the photo rises up, just like that. Then we're going to save it to our device, and we are going to add it into the project that's supposed to be our final project that has our first clip. So you're going to find that video, and then you are going to add that to the footage. And now you should have clip 1 and clip 2. So your channel name slide and your social media slide. Then from here, we're going to go back into Canva, and you are going to search YouTube intro again. And again, you're going to search it at the top, click on templates, and click on the blank one with the plus sign. Then from here, you're going to click on elements, and you're going to scroll down until you find grids. Click on this grid that has 3 vertical grids. You're going to click grid spacing and put it to 0. Then from here, you're going to click camera roll, and you're going to add 3 photos of your choice into each of the grids, and you're going to adjust them if you need to. If they don't need to be, don't adjust them. If they do, feel free to adjust them, and I'm just going to have you watch me do that here. Once you have everything adjusted the way you would like it to look, you are going to click download, and you're going to save it as a PNG, and you're going to save it to your camera roll. Then you're going to go back into CapCut. You're going to click new project. You're going to click photo, and you're going to add the photo that has the blank color from the beginning, and you're going to extend it out. Then you're going to click add overlay. You're going to click on photos, and you're going to add the photo that we just made in Canva into the project, and you're going to extend it out so it fits the whole screen. Then you're going to scroll until you find opacity, and you're going to put the opacity to about 10, 15, 20% until you get it the way you would like yours to look. and I'm just going to extend it out just like this. Then from here, we're going to click add text and we're going to type subscribe, and I'm going to click fonts and I'm going to use the same Winter Prime font as before. And we're going to do the same steps as before. You're going to click stroke, you're going to click the pink and you're going to hire the stroke. And then you are going to zoom in and make it bigger. Then we're going to click on animations and you are going to scroll until you find the snow fluttering animation. And I'm going to put that to about 1.5 seconds. Again, that is a pro animation. There are other ones if you would like. Then from here, we're going to go to video effects and we're going to do the same video effects as before, the summer bubbles. And I'm just going to lower the speed just a little bit like I'm doing on the screen. And then I'm going to save that, drag it out all the way. Then I'm going to click on video effects again and I'm going to search constellation again. And again, we're going to drag that all the way out. And this is how it should look. And you're going to save it to your device again. Then from here, you're going to add that into the final project where we had the channel name slide and the social media slide. And you're going to add the subscribe slide as the final slide to the intro. And now you should have all three into it. From here, you're going to adjust the clips down. So I'm just shrinking the clip down and you're going to see a white square box with a line in it. That's the transition box. And you are going to search Sakura Flip. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but it's this first one here. And I'm just going to hire all the way. It is a pro transition. There are plenty of other transitions that aren't pro if you do not have pro, but this is the one I'm using for mine. And this part is a lot of trial and error, just getting it the way that you would like it to look and how long you would like your clips to look. So I am shrinking down the second slide just because I felt like it was too long. And this is how I have it looking so far. I'm just adjusting the front so that it fits the way I would like it to look. Then from here, I'm going to the second transition box and I'm going to click on that. And at the top, I'm going to search Dreamy Bubbles and it's going to be the first one that pops up. This one is pro as well. Again, there are plenty of other free options that you can use and I'm just going to hire it all the way. And this is how it looks. Then at the subscribe slide, I'm just shrinking it down a little bit so it's not so long. Then to add the butterfly effect, we're going to go to video effects and you're going to search butterflies and it's going to be the first one here with all the colored butterflies, and you're going to click on that and save it. And you're going to adjust it so that when the dreamy bubbles comes in, so does the butterflies. So it looks like a really cool transition, just like this. Then from here, you're going to click on the subscribe slide and you're going to click animation out. And we're going to do this one here that is like a heart out animation. This is a pro animation, so if you don't have pro, you can't use it, but there are plenty of other out ones as well, or you don't even need one. But this is how everything is looking. Once you have that, you're going to see a bar at the bottom that says plus add audio. You're going to click on it. There's plenty of different options, but for this, I'm going to click extract and you can extract a song from a video. And this is how it looks. Once you have everything the way you would like, you're going to click export and you are going to click quality, and I'm going to put mine at 4K at 60 FPS. And I'm going to click download and save to device. And this is the final intro, guys.